forward.
What's your cookies? 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Need more pads near me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I've had a few come back to me on spot. Got another 3 or 4 coming back now. Are you letting them push back out, Charlie?
Right, to stay with me at all times.
Push back out because Jake said that it was in or out.
Get down that hill, guys, let's go!
We're going to get a bit confused though if you do that. They've got to stay somewhere around the spot. Tell them to stay within like 20 metres or something. Otherwise we're not going to know who's died twice on the same field. Yeah, fair point, fair point.
Remember, I need 2 people around me at all times. Remember, I'll just do.
Put them behind that tree down there.
Yeah, when they're coming back now, I'm just anyway.
Hit it.
Louis? Just come back and quickly move this way. Chris, come back this way. And we'll just skirt around the back of them. If you keep them busy down there, and we'll try and get round the back.
Stay there, move. Got one.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, remember, I need 2 people around me at all times so I can move.
Which way are you going to push?
We'll try and push that. I need 2 people around me at all times.
Jeremy! Guys, come on! Push down the hill!
Moving up soon, just pop out. Okay. Thank you.
Right, Jeremy!
You alright?
Yep. You clear that way?
It seems to be working quite well.
No.
The attackers are making progress, but there's still quite a few defenders left as well. Yeah, I'm get back on. Yeah, it's just holding his legs.
Right, we're going. Let's go. We need another guy.
We need another guy with us.
Why don't you come over here?
Hip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's another one. There's somebody else here with me. There's somebody else here with me. I can't move again unless you've got 2 people around me. Well done, chap.
Alright, we push up that way so that's
Yeah.
that building up, yeah?
They're all down there.
1.
Yep, yep.
Hip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there's somebody else here with me. There's somebody here with me. Got one person here, there's somebody else with us.
I'm gonna go right that way round.
I would, I'll probably get shot on the way.
Yeah.
That's it.
Where's defenders recon currently?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Or 30 metres around the outside of the fob, and then they'll be falling back to the short spawn at the back of the fob.
Got him out. There's one more player.
Yeah. Freddie, come here! Come here! We need one, Freddie, come here, we need one more! Yeah, that's it, Tom. I think we push up that way round.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. 3, 2, 1. I can't do. The sign of that message on the right.
On the right! Just shut down in that little ditch down there.
Looking good, most of the defenders are being pushed back now, there's only a few left.
So in the ditch on the right, there's 2 guys in the ditch on the right.
Yeah, the attackers are giving it a good hurrah.
I'm gonna try and. Tom, we need you here, then we can push up that way.
Don't worry about the paddle, there's only water.
Yeah.
A little bit, or just keep it there?
Okay, do you want to push up left side, that way?
I'd say
Yeah.
move it down to the right, at least now. Yep, alright, I'm on the move. I mean like a 5 respawn, because the factory is the right
Push left.
Give a white trees, keep
Barricade
right
down.
Yeah. Hip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
First wave, wiped out.
I need 2 players with me.
If so, we might have you drop back to Blue Rose now, Charlie.
Something over there. Hip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Somebody's in there somewhere. Oh yes. Oh, let's go.
Nice, bud. Head back to the farm, anywhere inside or around the fob now.
Right, let's get you forward.
Yep. Right, you've got enough players here. We'll get enough players around me as possible.
The pallet just there.
White rock, the white rock up my heli. Right, Ghost is now a rifle shed.
Okay, look to the right hand side. Okay.
Get a few players, go down there, clear that area.
Yeah, but you want me to move back to the center? Yeah, you can. I did ready that earlier.
Right, so we got someone going in there. I'm going to cut into the bushes in front just to clear this, and we can take this into the bushes and up.
Remember, 2 people around me at all times.
Right, what I'll do is I'll fall back to Bob there to make sure the defenders are falling back when they're hit. Jay, you might want to check Riverside. I think Tony's moved down there. I don't know if they've been killed or not yet. Yeah, look.
I could throw in like smoke or something, but
Let's move him up the outside. Right, follow Chris.
Barry, go check the radio first. Because you don't need.
Yeah, no, it's...
Because we're up on the left.
that's good right there.
Dave, speak again. Yeah, go on. Now go on behind him. Magazine out. Yeah, he's gone.
And you reload your up.
Yep.
They're in the fall. They're in
Okay.
the fall. Let's push up.
Let's go.
In the windows in the fall. Alright, don't push up.
Okay. Thank you. See where they're coming from.
All that fall. Toughest fall. Let's like 10 toughest fall.
Yeah, that's all right.
Hit! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you only won, didn't you?
As long as I've got 2 people around, get shot.